Hi, my name is Michael Valino. I'm here at J-Tech. I'm here today to give you a little tip on how to organize your tools inside your toolbox. The last thing you want is for your toolbox to end up looking like this. Even worse, looking like this. Get yourself some quality tool organizers for your wrenches and sockets. Like here's one from my local Harbor Freight for your wrenches. This is a plastic organizer that holds 16 wrenches. And also from Harbor Freight, you can get these Pittsburgh organizers that organize your sockets. They have both all 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drives. So that way your tools can look nice and organized like this and like this. I know these organizers will save you a lot of trouble. They will pay for themselves in no time.